In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to play music on Roblox voice chat using your mobile device. This works on both iPhone and Android. So let's get started. First, make sure you have voice chat enabled in your Roblox account. You'll need to verify your ease and turn on voice chat in your account settings before you can use it. Next, open a music app on your phone like Spotify, Apple Music, or YouTube Music. In this guide, I will be using Spotify. Choose the song you want and tap the play button. Let the music play in the background. Now minimize the music app, but keep it running and open the Roblox app. Join a game that has voice chat enabled. Make sure you are in a lobby or area where voice chat works. Once inside the game, check that your microphone is turned on. You may need to tap the microphone icon to enable it from the game menu. This allows your device to pick up and share the music playing in the background. Finally, adjust your volume settings. You might need to lower the in-game sound so the music plays clearly through voice chat. Balance your device media volume until it sounds good, and that's it. That's how you play music on Roblox voice chat in mobile device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.